let you know that you too can make your hair without using any product at all. Now, excessive use of products on our natural hair, for those of us with medium porosity hair types, it usually weighs our hair down when using too many products. Okay, our hair does not like too many products, as much as it's very easy to take care of, being that it's not high, neither is it low. Using too many products could actually as well weigh down. Okay, so sometimes just take a break, okay, sometimes, and fix your hair up with no products at all. So for the past how many days I've been serving videos with no products at all on my natural hair. So I think it's going to continue all through the month of December, because I think in November I actually started my hair using this eco styling gel. Yeah, I did style my hair using this, but for now I have stopped and I don't intend to use that anymore for now. So you too can try it out, and that's exactly why I'm sharing tips on how to do it. So if you're new to the channel and you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe so you know when I put out new videos, and then also turn on the notification bell, which is just going to pop up on the side. Okay, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post new videos. So on this channel we actually deliver content on hair, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything. I think a little bit of health, a little bit of YouTube and stuff. Okay, so do well to hit the notification bell, give this video a huge thumbs up, because trust me, you're going to learn something. So catch you at the end of the video. So I really don't know, you guys, if you live very close to the road, where I'm not talking about those of you who are outside Nigeria, obviously, because if you're outside Nigeria you really might not be able to experience this. But if you're living in Nigeria and then you live close to the road, and then these bikes and cars just keep passing and making so much noise, how do you cope? Anyway, that's why I need a mic, and I'm going to try to save for that. But if you can gift it to me for my Christmas gift, I'm going to be very, very grateful. So just in case you're watching this video and you can gift me a mic, a lapel mic, a Rhoda mic, whatever kind of mic, as long as it's not going to pick the noise from the background, I would love it. Thank you. So let's just get right into this video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nelly Sadua, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. For more videos like this, so you get notified and all of that, please hit the subscribe button. For more videos, for more beautiful contents like this one, so you can get to learn more about makeup, grow with me, grow with this channel. Okay, so please do well to hit the subscribe button, and then also turn on the notification bell, because it's not just enough to subscribe to a person's channel. If you don't turn on the notification bell, you just might not be notified whenever a video goes up. So please do well to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. When you hit the subscribe button, a bell automatically pops up by the side. Just hit it and it's going to come like all, none, one. Just say all, click on all, and for every of my uploads you're going to get notified. So that's it. Let's just get right into the video. I don't know why I did that actually, but let's just get right into this. So I'm just going to go ahead, like you guys already know, I like side part, but today I'm going for a center part. And you should also already know, your girl has been going for a no product sleek down for some days, and I still intend on doing that. And I know you're gonna be like, hey, How are you going to achieve that? Let's just get right in. So I'm going to be using this brush here. I usually use this brush whenever I want to detangle my hair when it's pretty wet, but I'm just going to use this to put a sleek on my hair. So what I'm actually doing, guys, is to tell you that you can actually style your hair without using any gels, without using any, without using anything technically. So if you want to style your hair and you want to do the sleek down, you want to wear a sleek hairstyle and all of that, all you need to do is to stretch out your natural hair prior, to the day you want to wear the look. And I'm going to go over this on the other side. So I've ensured to brush it all well, and I'm just going to pat this together. And I'm just going to use this elastic string to hold it down at the back. Okay, so is a sleek down hairstyle any different from what I just did? I don't know. I know you're gonna be like, what about the edges and all of that? I don't need that. Yeah. And I'm just going to use a bobby pin at this point. And for the back, you all, I am just going to grab these few strands of my kinky extension. I know you're going to be like, what's even Nelly's problem? Kink. Yeah, this is the only thing that fits really well into my natural hair, and also it's what's available to me. I don't have to buy this, so that's why I like going for this. So I'm just going to go ahead, fluff it out like so, and I'm just going to go ahead to use this to wrap around my hair at the back. I wish I could take some pictures right now. Oh my god, I can't because I'm the only one at home to take a picture of how the back of the hair looks like. But well, we're more focused on the front view. So you all loves. Tell me, what do you think about the hairstyle? Like, isn't this amazing? Okay. So do well to let me know if you do try out this look. You can see my edges, they're practically raising up and all. Yes, that's because there are no products on them, and I think I love them like that. Okay, so you too can actually style your hair without any products at all. So thank you for watching this video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below in the comment section, and I'll do well to reply to all of your comments as I usually do. Bye bye.